getting blue stained. So we'll need to strip this whole thing off. Yeah. You strip it all by hand, Greg? Yep. Wow.
Is it hard?
Not hard. This is how they did it.
Put a fan in the top of it, and then, you know, like this, they have at car dealerships, those flags with them.
Look at that, Bree.
Nice job, girl.
Yeah, wow. Nice work. We only got a whole tree left.
That's cool. It's amazing.
Just roll that log, no problem. Oh my God.
I never understood a word they said. Kept running in the woods.
What is recording? Say hi, Grandma.
Who
was saying hi to?
YouTube.
Hi. Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me. I'm trying to make it up for my mistakes.
Starting to move the wood to stack it so it'll air dry and not get moldy and gross. It'll be quite a process, but we're gonna get it done. Puppies are not really helping us. How's it coming, girls? Those clouds off in the distance, babe.
Yeah, we were pulling up from the backside. Usually the boys were just like oohing and ahhing about the view.
Yeah.
Because the sun was hitting the slopes over here.
I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. Time moves faster when you're by my side. It's so easy to get by. I'm leaving all
Who's up there?
So pretty out here.
It's gorgeous, huh? Emily's deciding on the length. Let's see how she can do this. Roar! Look at you. Rock star.
Do you like this job? Yeah.
Nice.
The one time I went back at my head.
I'm impressed, Finley. Oh,
Wait,
she got a stick for you.
Would this one be good?
You can throw it to him.
Yeah, this one's a little thicker. This might be a little hard.
Maybe try stepping on it down lower.
Like
Break
right
it from the bottom. Good job, Finley.
Always on your side. On my mind, you stay to keep me up at night. Can't explain it, I just know I never felt more alive. I will get to you, 'cause you make it easy. You make it all so easy now. I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. And I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side.
Someone's worn out. Okay, the he, man, and woman.
Wait, I can't grab it. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah. Nice. Good work.
Stickers.
They on fire.
So close to being dyed.
Yay.
Stickers?
Almost treat time and creek time. Finley. Please don't hurt yourself, young lady.
Hey, videotape.
I'm videoing. I think this is the last big one. That's right.
Yay!
Whoop woo! Nice.
Let's go! I'm gonna do my little dancey dance.
Yes, you are, Finny. Do your dancey dance, girl. She is so awesome. Oh my goodness. Look at all this wood we had to move. That is a lot of work we've done. My body is feeling it. Whew. And Fletcher's been a rock star. I can't even imagine how many pieces of wood we had to pick up and move this weekend. It was really hard work, and the kids did an amazing job and hardly complained at all. I think I probably did more complaining than they did. It was a very successful weekend, and I am thrilled to have the kids be able to play in the water and to see the smile on Bree's face.